Is your company's vision or mission something that excites people? And beyond that, is it something that you actually live and work towards? It was interesting. I was delivering a talk recently to a small group, and we were talking about the importance of vision, both on the organizational level and also at an individual level, as we think about our own personal mission and values in our lives. And I had someone ask the question and contrast two different experiences that he had had. One, he had spent time in the military. And he said, these people were coming in from all different walks of life, but what we were all united on was the common goal. We knew what we were striving for. We knew that we had to work together, and we were all united to make that happen, even though there was a lot of chaos and craziness because of some of the people that were involved in there. But I always felt like I was a part of something bigger than myself when he was a part of that. Now contrast that with he started working in industry in the technical field, and he said, I don't experience that at all in his particular organization, where we talk about things that we want to have happen, but then the leadership and then the people are not living and acting in line with those things that we share. And so I asked myself, why do I even bother? Okay. And first of all, that happens all the time, right? But look how important it is to not just state what your mission is, state what the values or the vision or whatever you want to do, because actually living and executing on a mission or a vision is so much more than just having a vision statement. It needs to be something that's lived. And in his experience in the military, they did that. Everyone lived that. They breathed that as part of what they did every day, from the moment they woke up to the moment they went to bed at night in some cases, right? And to use some physics terms or mathematical terms, I like to think about this in a few different ways. We need to be in congruence, or think about in wavelengths. We need to be in resonance together, where the different wavelengths of each person or team in the organization should be creating something beautiful that compounds and grows together, rather than dissonance, or even think about noise-canceling headphones that cancel out the wavelengths of the other people and the things that are going on, the signals that we need to have. Another way to think about this is in terms of vectors. If you have stated that you are going in one direction, well, every single person needs to be pointing in that direction, because they can be moving very fast, but if they're moving in an opposite direction, that's going to negate the power of that, because of how vectors work. They have a direction and a magnitude, right? So the vectors all need to be pointed in the same direction so we can be moving together, living and acting in congruence together. Otherwise, what's the point of stating that? Stating the mission or what we're trying to accomplish, a goal or an initiative, doesn't matter what it is. So as leaders especially, we have an opportunity and a responsibility to create a vision that gets people excited, but we need to live and bring people along to then execute together and move together and not lose sight of that along the way. Okay, my name is Jeff Perry. I'm the founder of More Than Engineering, and I help engineers, technical professionals, and their organizations build great companies and build great lives and careers. And I'd love to help you. If there's anything I can do to help, please reach out and we'll chat. Thanks so much for watching.